I'm a lover of fufu anyways. So let me not talk so much. But while we're talking, let me just turn it. You see this soup? I actually made it myself by myself. Like, oh, I made it myself by myself. Some of you guys are asking for recipe, but I'm really sorry this time around. I can only cook and just eat, you know, to make videos, right? But for me to make videos of cooking, it's really so difficult for me, and I'm really sorry. Hey my amazing people, thank you so much for tuning in to this video. In today's video, we are eating brown fufu. Like, this is so good. Like, for those of you who are struggling to lose belly fat, and yeah, thank you for tuning in once again. Thank you for your like, subscribe, please like, share this video, and let's dive right in because your girl is hungry. It's hungry. All right, so I have here a lot of goodies. I have cow skin, cow leg, cow stripes, shrimps, so many shrimp like this, and beef, like, and fish, everything in here. So let's get started. All right, let's get started. All right, the first bite as always goes to you guys, and I'm also having this with it, which is this black tea. All right, so nice. So let's dive right in. So we're gonna be eating as a man, like a real, like I made business. This is ogbono and okra mixed together. It tastes so yummy. Mm. 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 For those of you asking for a recipe, one day I'll make it up to you guys. Like, I have changed my apartment, and the apartment is so small. Too small to film. Mm. Oh. Mm. Oh my word. Mm. Oh. Mm. Mm. My favorite soup, guys, is draw soup like that. Mm. 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 Thank you for loving my videos. Please always like. Sometimes the comments are much more than the likes. Mm. A real hungry man eats like this. Like, mm. Some people say your hand is messy, your hand is this. One thing I know is that if you do good, people talk. If you do bad, people talk. Uh, oh, I really hate using fish to cook because of the bone. Succulent. So juicy. Thank you so much for watching. If you have been watching me from the beginning to this time, you are the best. I mean, the best. Thank you so much. And as you can see, I really do enjoy this food. This is one of my favorite. This fufu is really nice. Like, it doesn't have weight. Yeah. So light. I have chia with ginger. So nice. So nice. So nice. Thank you, thank you. Please like, share, subscribe. Okay. I bring greetings from Lulu. He's actually at school now. Yeah. If not, would I be here? All right. Bye.